Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to the gym and showing you my workout, and then I'm making a smoothie after. The smoothie, I kind of go off Kenzie Burke's recipe of the tropical bub, but I kind of like do my own little thing to it. So if you want to watch, I do my workouts 3 times throughout, like 3 reps of everything that I do. You can do 2 or 3, whatever you're feeling. Just put yourself as much as you want, and it's kind of how much you put in is what you get out of it. So keep watching if you want to see my workout. just got back from the gym, so now I'm gonna make a smoothie. I could write down the ingredients, put it right here, but I mashed up bananas because I'm gonna make banana bread, and I forgot that I needed some. We're just gonna take like some banana just for some more flavor. It looks a little gross, but that's just because the bananas were very ripe and now mashed up. But I'm gonna make banana bread with this later. So to start out, I just have like a little bit of banana. Usually I would put a whole banana, but we don't have a whole banana today. Oh, nasty. This cucumber is like old. It's fine, I'll use the scent. I just use about like this much of a cucumber. Put the rest away. Also, unless you have like a really good blender, I can't put it in whole like this because my blender is just not that good, honestly. Like, it does the job, but it won't be able to mash up this. I just cut it up like this and drop it in. These are like perfect sizes. And then I add a little bit of coconut water. I usually get the can from Trader Joe's, but I'll drink this later, so we'll put it in. Just so that it like fills up a little bit at the bottom, and I can always add more if it doesn't blend up. And then I'm just gonna grab whatever like salad mix that I have, because I usually put spinach, but I don't have any. Actually, this has dressing in it. No salad. Mango.
What are you making?
A smoothie.
I know. What is this? Smoothie,
Mango, coconut water. Ooh, that was a clump. Coconut water, cucumber. I think that was, oh, banana. End result.
What is it that you wish for? What is it that you want? You're very insecure, aren't you? To become secure.